In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Gmail or Google account phone number quick easy. Keeping your Google account phone number current is important because it's used for things like login alerts, password recovery, and extra security checks. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish so you can update it with confidence. Begin by opening your Google account settings. The quickest way is to go to Gmail or any Google service, click your profile picture in the top corner, and choose Manage your Google account. That takes you to the main account dashboard. Once you're there, switch to the Personal Info tab. This is where Google stores your profile details and contact options. Scroll to the Contact Info section and select Phone. Here, you'll see any phone numbers currently tied to your account. To make a change, select the number you want to update and choose Edit or Update Number. You may be asked to confirm your identity for security. That's normal. Now, type in your new phone number and make sure the country code is correct. If you need to change it, adjust the country selector before entering the number so Google formats it properly. When you submit the new number, Google will send a one-time verification code to that phone. Keep the device nearby, check your text messages, and enter the code when prompted. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment, confirm your signal, and ensure the number and country code are accurate. You can request the code again if needed. After you verify, your Google account will reflect the new phone number. Keep in mind, it can take up to a week before the number is fully usable for sensitive actions like password recovery, so it's a good idea to keep your old number active until everything settles. While you're in the phone section, you can also add a recovery phone number or remove an old one you no longer use. It's smart to keep at least one up-to-date number that you control personally, rather than a shared or work line, to avoid losing access later. That's it. Open your Google account, go to Personal Info, update the number under Contact Info, verify with the code, and give it a few days to fully take effect. With these steps, your account stays secure and you'll be ready if you ever need account recovery or security confirmation.